Good morning viewers, it's me Paul again and welcome to another segment of laptop taking apart. So here I've got a HP Stream and I believe this is the 11 or 14 model. So unfortunately this machine doesn't work because somebody has pushed in the power connection there. I don't know if you can see that, sorry. There's been a bit of damage there, so I'm going to show you how to open this little unit. So first of all, let me close that. And then what we need to do is turn the thing over like that. Okay. And then the screws are hidden under these little caps. So I'm just going to move those out of the way. So here and here, there's no screws. But what HP have done on this model, this little cap here, there we go, that little cap there, there's a hidden screw in there, and then there's one on the other side as well. So let's just take that to the side, just poke it with a screwdriver. Next, just take the screws out. They're all the same size and not different colours, so I'm just going to do this quickly. And then we can get into this Stream. The Stream 11 or 14, I don't know what model this is. We'll have a look anyway. Just quickly get this out. Just follow this order, or any order. Just put the screws to the side. There's quite a few screws here, so don't misplace them. And then when that's all out, as you can see, there we go. All you got to do now is to flip it over on its side again, and then you want to like push down on the edge, and then you want to get a toothpick or one of these little edges, and then the keyboard should just pop out. So you want to push down and then push up on this. You will hurt your nails for doing this. Ow. Because I did this yesterday. Get back in it now. There's always a little lip somewhere. There you go. I've just put a screwdriver there, and then just use this tool here. There we go. As long as that's pierce it open, and then just follow it round like that. Wait for the clicks to come off, as you can see. Just make sure you put something there to stop it from going back in, and then just follow the sides until that all goes click, click, click. And then the keyboard should just flip out like that. There we go. And then be very careful when to get this off. As you can see, you've got 3 ribbons. So let me just put it in that position. So there's the battery, wireless card, and everything else. Okay, I'm just going to show you what to do next. Right, let me just put the camera down. Okay. So what you do next is gently lift it away from you. Like that. And then the next thing you want to do, let me bring that a little bit closer, I'll see if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. So this black one is for the keyboard. So you just want to unclip it like that and pull it out gently. There you go, now you can see it. Okay, then you've got this other ribbon for the mouse pad here. So just gently do that. There we go. And then this end one on the top left hand corner is for the power button here. So you don't want to break that ribbon, so you can just have it like that, let it rest. There we go. And then you can just gently open it. Be very careful because this one is very fragile. There we go. And then you can just gently move this one away. There we go. And that's the keyboard off. There we go. And that's it. And that's how I managed to get into the HP Streamline or Stream 11 or 14 models, and that's how easy it is. There we go. So if the power jack here is damaged, you can just take it out, put another one in. You can change the big battery, wireless card, and everything else. But be very careful with these little like flaps here. So just be very careful when opening. And that's how I open the HP Stream 11 and 14 models, and that's it. And that was a quick tutorial of how to open it. Very simple and very quick. So I hope this video helps everybody there on YouTube, viewers, subscribers. So feel free to give us that like, subscribe of course, and make a comment. And I will see you all very soon for another video. Okay then, I'm going to sign off on this Friday morning. Okay, bye for now.